Good news in the rollout of digitization, especially in schools, as Denmark, a country that has been long heralded as a pioneer in digitization in schools, have now decided to roll back on this, and schools in Denmark have decided to take phones from their kids when they enter the school and they get locked in a safe. But in South Africa, where I live, our government is hell-bent on digitizing the school space. And this is something I have a huge problem with. And I will give you a link to the video that discusses this, as well as a Euronews article that talks about Denmark and their decision to change what they started a decade ago. And it says here in this article, I'm not going to cover everything. It took a lot of work to convince the students that this was a good idea, because when you are addicted to something, it's hard to let loose of your addiction. So the pupils had a lot of resistance to it, and we needed a lot of convincing and talking. Drug addicts don't really like when the drug is taken from them, and that's the situation for some of our pupils who were really addicted. But they can now also see the benefits of this, so there are great benefits to it. And in the video you will see students speaking about the fact that they can write again, like with a pencil or pen on paper, and that a lot of them prefer this now. So it was a process, it didn't happen overnight. But just think, in South Africa, if a country has figured out that it was a stuff up, a mistake, something that was an oversight, to do this to children for 10 years, why should we do this to children in South Africa? Why do parents allow children to have cell phones? Just unfettered access to the internet. And in Europe now, across the European Union, there are discussions about banning unfettered internet access and cell phones to children under the age of 16. So a massive shift in consciousness, in thinking, etc. And I'm not against digital. I'm against digital being used to monitor, track and trace our every move, to get more control of our lives, for social media platforms, to control the lives of children, for algorithms and artificial intelligence used to control the thoughts of kids, what they see, what they consume. I'm against this. I have a huge problem with this. So we need to use technology for the right purposes, as tools for us, not for it to run our lives. And tell me in the comments if you agree with what Denmark has done, and tell me in the comments what you think about South Africa, and especially the DA appointed Minister of Education wanting to digitize everything in our public schools, and then the DA appointed Minister of Home Affairs wanting to digitize everything with regards to our IDs, our passports, etc. It's a trap, people. This channel is about freedom, maximum freedom. And if you like this type of content that is freedom based, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon so that you can get future notifications for videos that are put out. Do consider becoming a member to support the work that we are doing, as thousands of people across South Africa and around the world have started becoming more self-reliant, including controlling the digital media at their exposure that they are exposed to, so that it benefits them, using it as a tool instead of it controlling their lives, and becoming more self-reliant. The things that we need for survival, very basic. There are thousands and thousands of you doing this, and I want to thank you for this effort on the ground, because wherever you are in the world, as long as you become more self-reliant, it's very difficult for tech companies to control your life. Thanks so much for watching this video, and remember, stay free.